Now that I had time to reflect on my standardized patient encounter from my on-site visit at RMU last week, I feel that it was a very valuable experience from both a patient and an examiner perspective. First, as an examiner, I felt the encounter went well just because I evaluate patients daily when I'm working. However, I'm not accustomed to asking patients about their social and family history from a physical therapy perspective. I felt uncomfortable asking those questions because I felt I was prying into their private life. These are typical areas or questions that physical therapists were not trained to ask during a physical therapy evaluation when I went through physical therapy school between 1990 and 92. However, I might start inquiring about these areas with patients during my physical therapy evaluation if they're going to provide me more insight into the patient's psychological and physical well-being, thus allowing me to provide a more patient-centered care. From being the standardized patient, I felt that it took a lot of practice and time to be able to portray the patient as realistic as possible, particularly memorizing every little detail down to personality and activities that they like to do. This experience makes me deeply appreciate the time, the effort, and the amount of training that goes into portraying a standardized patient. Additionally, I learned that it takes time to develop excellent standardized patient cases to help foster the learning of healthcare professionals. Furthermore, I have come to appreciate the standardized patient experience as a patient and examiner because it reinforces to me the importance of this type of learning for healthcare professionals. I plan on learning as much as I can over the next few years about standardized patient case education and plan to someday incorporate it into my teaching methods.